5-minute intermediate hand blast. We're going to use some weights. Well, I've got some 4 kilos here to start me off. We're going to think about arms up towards the ceiling, belly button pulls in. We're going to roll all the way down. Try and keep those weights up towards the ceiling. So rolling up, sit tall, then come back down. Another 30 seconds of this round. Try and keep the shoulders away from the ears. Think about lifting one section before the next. Last one. We're going down, belly buttons in. And then we're going to think about coming on to a straight arm plank. We're going to add in lifting one arm at a time. Last 5, 4, 3, and then think about feet, shoulder distance, hips down towards the mat. Belly buttons in, don't feel anything in the lower back. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. And then floating those knees back down. We're going to think about weights to one side for the moment with some V-sits. So we're going to have hands down by the sides of the body, leaning back a touch, and then we're lifting the feet, straightening the legs. You think about hands, arms coming parallel with the floor. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, fantastic. What are we going for this time? Then we go plank, bit of rotation. So you can use the weights again. Arms are straight. And then we're tucking the toes under, straightening the legs, have the feet hip distance apart, and then gonna think about lifting the weight. Arm can go up. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Fantastic. Quick breather. And then when we come back down to the mat, we're going to line our back. Have the arms over the head. And then we're going to think about lifting the feet off the mat. So arms are over the head. We're going to use them as a counterbalance to lift the pelvis, lower back off the mat. So exhale, belly button pulls in. Take the spine off the mat, only as far as the shoulder blades. And then slowly lower back down. Four more. Last three. Two more. There you go. Feet on the mat. All done and dusted. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed that, if it was helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Ready for some more ab workout.